Good evening, traders. Today's Wednesday, February 8th. Markets are closed. And we have some serious manipulation today, guys. I'm going to show you what is going on. We're going to start with the end, actually. The reverse. Go with the most recent at the end of the trading day. And then go back to the beginning of the trading day and call the play-by-play that happened on Twitter today. Why don't we get on started? First of all, there's a bear trap coming tomorrow, guys. They set the bears up today, all afternoon. It was set up. Okay, let me turn on my pointer right here. Pretty much in the final 30 minutes, I said I agree with Wall Street 7. I sense this is the bear trap. How did I sense this is the bear trap? I'll get into that later when we get into the slides. But it confirmed tonight because right at closing bell, do you see this giant green wick? Right at closing. Kaboom! And this is on the hour. Kaboom! Yeah, they suppressed it all afternoon. And then, as soon as extended hours opened up, boom! I'm going to show you what futures look like. I took a screenshot of it about 60 seconds ago. You're going to see that too. You're going to see, oh, well, that's no coincidence why futures all of a sudden shot up and now has retaken the 5-minute EMA 50 that it could not take all day long. Okay? That's 100% evidence of manipulation, that they intentionally suppressed the afternoon to trap the bears. Okay? There's just no other way to say it. Bear trap's coming, guys. When we wake up tomorrow, don't be surprised. Futures up, and you're trapped. Okay? Look at this. This is the hourly MACD from yesterday. Started at negative 48. Today, it got down to negative 27. That's a higher low. That's why it perplexed me. I'm like, why isn't it going back up? You're going to see me. I got some calls that I didn't sell. I'm like, it should be going up. You're making higher lows on the MACD. Okay? I actually was profiting from the calls until they intentionally started to suppress it. Okay? So, there you have it. Now, broad strokes, guys. Broad strokes. This is the 2-week chart, the 65-minute 2-week chart. Do you see this gray line? That's the old channel line. Guess what? The last 2 weeks, the markets have been following this line as the average, the mean line. Every time you went too far above it, you came back down and went up against it, didn't you? You came up to yesterday, and then you came back down and went up against it yesterday. And here's the hidden bullish divergence of the day. Why? I was like, no, this is bullish. This is bullish. This is not bearish. Even though it seemed like it was going down and down and down, I'm like, no, this is bullish. Anytime you consolidate under an important channel line, especially the old channel line, that's consolidation underneath of it without falling too much. That's bullish. That's the hidden divergence. Even though today it looked like, oh, we're going lower, we're going lower, we're going lower, we're going lower. Right up until the final 30 minutes of the trading day, we're going lower. But as you'll see, actually in the next slide, it was bullish divergence the whole time on the MACD. That's why I held on to my calls, even though I was when the market maker started taking it down and down and down. I'm like, I'm not selling this. The MACD's not going any lower. The MACD is still making higher lows. Okay. So there we go. See that? This is today's action. So here's this pivot point. Look at that. That's going down. That's a lower low. This is like the final 30 minutes. But guess what? The MACD was doing higher lows. Yeah, see? That's why I'm like, I'm not selling this thing. MACD wasn't following the price. And guess what happened at close, guys? Here's basically close right here. This point. Remember that huge green wick that I showed you? Just boom. And guess what? Is it a coincidence that after that huge green wick right here, you can't see it on this is futures. That huge green wick, what happens? Rocket up. Look at this. Up to the EMA 50, the 5-minute EMA 50. Come down to backtest, and now it took it. It took it back. It took back the EMA 50. We now have a trend change. Okay? That's what I'm saying. They intentionally took it down from this point, from the point it got rejected. They took it down, took it down, took it down all afternoon, came back up and made a higher low in the final 30 minutes or so, 30 to 45 minutes right here. Here's your higher low. And then you had the green lightning right here. And now it takes off. I'm sorry, man. I'm just the messenger. If you want to get mad at somebody, you got to get mad at the puppet master. Go talk to the market maker. Okay? So tonight you can expect futures to be up. We're probably going to be up tomorrow too. Okay? So if you got puts down here, I'm sorry, you're going to get trapped. So there's just no other way to say it. Okay? They're cheating. All right? Okay, here's the intraday action. And why don't we just go straight into the tweets, shall we? Okay, this morning, yep, going for the 414. Basically at opening bell, right here, opening bell, it just rocketed straight up to the 414 level, that purple line right here, which is, it rocketed straight up to this, the 1213 wick high. It sure did. And guess what? I got some puts because I even said that in this morning's episode. I said, if this thing makes a beat, if this thing goes for that 1213 wick high, if it goes straight up for it at an opening bell and doesn't even bother back testing this EMA 50, oh, I'm getting puts. That's what I did. So, yep, here we go. Figured you'd come back down. See that? Big red candle, big red candle. Yeah, this one, and then I scalped it because I was still thinking it was going to be bullish. So I scalped it down here. Okay, I sold it down here. It was a nice little profit. Okay. Now, as it was trending this direction, so it went up and then down and then up. I said, you guys don't bite down on this. Don't bite down on this. This is the big green candle. Don't bite down. Wait. You gotta wait. And guess what happened? Boop, boop, boop. It came back down. Okay. Yeah, I had internet problems. I had a power outage in the whole neighborhood, and long story short, it was really choppy. I had to switch to my hotspot on my phone to trade. Oh, it was a mess. It was a mess. Okay, so anyways, it's on the backtest phase right here, right here. Yep, see, it was on the backtest phase, and it was about to rocket back up again. Okay, so watch for it to sandwich between the 5-minute EMA and the SMA 20. Yeah, I was thinking it was going to sandwich right in here, right in here. That's when I drew that wedge. Okay, this would be bullish if it continues to chop in here. In here, it would be bullish. Okay, building energy. Also flattens out the MACD when you're chopping in that range. Okay, that's true. However, we know what happened. It didn't stay in that range, did it? It took a nosedive. Okay. Now. Okay, so actually it took here's the breakout that I'm talking about. But I just said, let's see the next candle, because this breakout went straight to that half channel resistance. I'm like, no way. That's I'm not jumping in on that. I know a couple of you guys were a little anxious to make some money, and you bit down on that one. Okay, but I think you guys will wait next time. That's okay. That's all right. Okay. So, and I tweeted to that follower. I said, hey man, I used to be pretty aggressive. Also, I've also been burned by jumping the gun too fast. But I tweeted and I told him, I said, but you know what? Patience does heal all wounds. So next time, just be a little patient. Next time, we'll wait for the next candle. It's okay. Be a little patient. If you're a little bit patient, you will be rewarded by knowing what the market maker is going to do next. All right. Okay. Uh-oh. Yep. See, coming back down. Yeah. See, he's coming back down. So we're just waiting. Didn't place trades. I'm waiting. Okay. Here's where it's like, ooh, it kept going down. I'm like, ooh, wait a minute. That was when it was still like right here though. Right here. Yeah, see, that's the screenshot I took. It was still right there. I'm like, ooh, I didn't expect this candle to fall right here. Okay. So that's what I said. Wait for it to fail 412.86. That's the pink line. I was like, wait for it to fail that one. I'm like, ooh, okay. Yeah, see if it can backtest 412.86, the pink line. And if not, then think about scaling into puts. But you will see what happened was this big red candle not only like didn't stop, it just kept going. The candle got bigger. I was like, whoa. Yeah, see, the candles get bigger. The candles get bigger. Went down past the gray channel line, right? So for you newer traders, this at this moment, this is not the time to get puts. It's not the time to get puts. You gotta wait for the next candle. Okay, you're gonna see this tweet. It looks like it looks so tempting. Oh, get puts. It's going down. Don't do it. Don't do it yet. Okay. See, it's the next candle that can rip the other way on you. Look what happened. Wick up, wick up, green. They're like, oh crap. Okay. Okay. But it turned out that luckily it went back down again, right? But we didn't know that at the time. But the point is, you gotta wait for the next candle. Don't don't ever bite on the first big candle. The first big red candle. Wait for the next candle. This is the 5-minute chart. Wait for the next candle. See what the next candle does. Okay? See, in this case, you'd have been sorry to get puts. You're like, oh no, it's ripping the other way. Right? Okay. Because it's so close to the old gray channel bottom, I hesitate to get puts until it fails the back test from the underside. So what I was saying here is like I see wick up, and then I see this big red candle. Well, not big. I see this red candle coming up higher, being elevated. Wick up, wick up. I'm like, I'm not messing. I don't mess around getting puts when I see wicks up, especially wicking up from a gray channel, a gray old. Oh no, no, no! I'm not messing with puts. Okay, that was the point of this tweet, but that's important. That's why I wanted to call that out. Okay. Okay. Yeah. See here, I'm talking about. If it keeps wicking up, that scares me to go short. I'm not doing it. Okay. Here's what I look for. Here's the arrow that I'm drawing. I look for it to go under the channel, come back up, but then get rejected from the channel. Okay. That's what I look for. That's exactly what happened right here. So still waiting, still waiting, still waiting. But all of a sudden, I saw it go down under. I was like, "Ooh, watch out!" It went under. As soon as I saw, you'll see this tweet. As soon as I saw this candle wick down right there. You see it wick down from the gray channel line. As soon as I saw that wick, got puts. I was like, that's it. You failed. Okay. Okay. Yeah. See, here we go. Here we go. Whoa, see, now you're beneath the old channel, not on top of it, not wicking up on top of it. You're beneath it, scaling short because you're beneath the channel. Right there. See that? I started seeing this. I'm going short. We're going short. It's failing now. That's when you go short. Okay? That's when you go short. You shouldn't have, you don't go short. Okay, see, look. I went short here. I went short here. Yeah, basically right here. It ended up being a big red candle. I basically went short here, which is equivalent to me going short here. Okay? But the difference obviously is I know I have confirmation it's going lower now because you're beneath the channel. Whereas if I got it here, this green candle would have ripped the other way on you. Then you'd be like, oh crap. Right? Okay, so that's what I mean. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for the pattern to play out. Okay? So hope that's clear. If not, leave me a question and I'll try to clarify that. Okay, yep, it's failing the back test. See, now you're under the channel and it's now resistance. Wick down. Right here, yeah, see at the time. Obviously the candles look different now because they're fully formed, but this was at the time. I was like, oh yeah, wick down, let's go, rock and roll. Okay, and this was the telltale sign. The MACD was making lower lows from here down to here at the time I took the screenshot. And that's exactly what happened. Oh, I was like, oh, no, 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 no. This is going lower. MACD's making lower lows. This is not making bullish divergence. This is convergence with price. This is convergence with price, but MACD's making lower lows. I'm like, we're going lower. Okay, that's when I just said it's a pullback day. Okay. So this is important. Even if the MACD makes a higher low notch, which it eventually did right here. See that? It did it. It did it. Even if it does, you typically still go lower. Keep going lower, right? So at the time, I took the screenshot. This would have been equivalent to right here, right? Right there. See that? yeah, you bet we went lower. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Yeah, we went lower. Okay. Yep, trying to. Oh, that's just trying to back test. That's what I say. It's going to fail. I'm scaling more puts. So yeah, got in there. Yeah, I knew it was going to fail. Once you went under the channel, oh, that's it. Lights out. Once you go under the channel, that's it. Now you're wicking up on top of the channel. Oh no, don't mess around with that. Don't mess with that. But once you're under it, that's it. Okay. Okay. Yep. It's trying to bottom. It's trying to. It's right here. It's right here. This is the tweet. I said, hey guys, it's trying to bottom. MACD's flattening. RSI higher lows angling up. See that? MACD's flattening. RSI starting to get higher lows angling up. And yeah, that was the bottom, all right, because that's went like that. Okay. Careful. This could be the bottom. It's consolidating under the black channel line right here. Right here. Under, under, under. That's bullish. That's always bullish. That's bullish. Okay. MACD RSI is curling up. Yep, it was curling up. About to get some positive cross. You know, yeah, if it continues to consolidate under the line, that's bullish and can pop up at any moment. And what happened? Boop. It came up. See? So, okay. When I saw that, I was like, I'm scaling long. I already sold my puts, by the way. I sold that down here. Got a nice 30% pop out of that one. I scalped it, basically, when I bought the puts right here. Actually, I got some gains scalping this put from right up here. Remember when it shot up to 414 early first thing in the morning? Made some profit there doing that quick scalp. And then I got puts again right here underneath the channel all the way down to here. So made some money there. And then I went long right here. Right here. Soon as I saw this candle start to lift away from this chop. It's like, oh yeah, I'm going long. Okay. So, yep, consolidating under the 1 hour EMA 50, you know, come down, back test, jump back up. So, yep, that's how it came to pass. Support at SMA 20, that's bullish. Basically, here's the support at the SMA 20 line right here. So, okay, here's where I said, yeah, the 5-minute MACD is parallel with the signal line at the time. It was parallel right here. It was parallel. That's bullish, guys. That's not bearish. Parallel and going up. Well, it ended up going from parallel to actually separation, further separation, okay? And that's where I said, man, you guys, there's hidden strength here. I find that if it's truly intending to go lower, like the next day, the MACD doesn't do this that quickly, right? It doesn't do this. That's why I was like, yeah, there's hidden strength here. I'm seeing some strength. Further evidenced by the fact that it actually did it retook the EMA 50 right here. See that? In the same day, in the same morning, right? But it came up against this resistance here, the old channel, and got rejected. But it doesn't change the fact that it retook the EMA 50, which tells me, yes, that's strength. That's strength. You have strength still. Because when the market makers truly intend on taking it lower like the next day, oh no, you're not taking back the EMA 50 in the same day. You could barely even take back your SMA 20 when you don't have strength. But the fact that you took it back, I'm like, oh, no, there's something going on here. Okay, there's hidden strength here. Well, come to find out, yeah, there's hidden strength because look what happened in extended hours. After close, came up to the EMA, consolidated underneath of it. Again, that's bullish. Consolidated underneath of it, came down, boom, and took it back. Right there, you see it right there on the screen. It took it back. There was strength there all along, guys. Stupid market makers were manipulating it and keeping it down, keeping it down, keeping it down, keeping it down, so that they can trap the bears. Okay, so you know, yeah, it's bullish. See, I mean, you can't say that's bearish, right? The fact that boom, it just comes up, takes the EMA 50 like that, right? So yeah, that would have been oh, when was this? Like right here? Yeah, yeah, right here, right here, right here. That's not a sign of weakness when you get this kind of pattern. I was like, oh, this is bullish, guys. Okay. So, yep. I mean, at this point, once it got rejected up here, I had my puts still. I'm like, oh yeah. I mean, sorry, I had my calls. I was holding my calls. I held my calls all afternoon. I did not sell, even though it kept going lower, going lower, going lower, going lower. Why didn't I sell? Because look at the MACD. It stayed close to the zero line the whole time. I'm like, oh. If I saw the MACD just like really tanking, following the price, oh yeah, I'm out. But I'm like, I'm not letting go of this thing. There's still something here. I don't know why the price is doing this, but yeah, look what happened. Look what happened at close. Boop, right back up to zero line, and now it retook the EMA. See? So, I mean, that's basically how the day went. So I had some good successful trades in the morning, but my calls I kept over. Uh, kind of, I didn't sell. I probably could have scalped it. Looking back, I probably should have. I could have made a profit right there. I could have sold right there. Right when I started wicking up into this crazy zone, right? But I'm like, no, I'm gonna keep it because I see some strength here. I bet because I thought I kept it because I'm like, even if it gets rejected, oh, I bet it's gonna try again, right? Because it was strong. But guess what? It never tried again because market makers were manipulating, keeping it down, only to take it back up in futures tonight. Okay, so yep, that's basically how the day went, guys. So they intentionally had a shallow bottom right here, and that was to kind of keep you guys thinking. Remember yesterday how they took it down, way down. They're thinking, oh yeah, we're gonna scare everybody, you know. But instead, rip it up here, trap some people, and then take it back down the rest of the afternoon. Okay, so I mean that I don't know what to say. That's just classic manipulation, guys. So expect futures to be up tomorrow, tonight, and into tomorrow. We're probably gonna open up in the green, and then it's gonna be a rally. So there you have it. I mean, follow me on Twitter where I give real-time tweets. Don't forget to listen to your favorite music while you're trading. It helps you get into the right state of mind. It helps you get into your flow state. With that, please give this a like, share, subscribe, or click to be notified when I release something new. I'm Agent 000 signing off.